Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaliyah. If you are new, if you are returning, welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and state the obvious. The makeup and the lashes, I don't know where they are. But I wanted to go ahead and film this video for you guys while my braids were still looking cute, looking fresh. So today's video is 5 hairstyles with short box braids. So before we get started, I'm going to link above in the iCard, which I think is this side. I'm going to link my boyfriend's new song that is dedicated to our friend Martell, who passed away on a Friday. It's still a really sensitive topic to talk about, especially because Martell was one of Zach's best friends and he was a close friend to me and my sisters as well. So we're all trying to cope with it, and we're all, going through the grieving process. But I wanted to mention his song because it's so sweet, so special. So yeah, I'm not gonna go into like a lot of detail about it, but yeah, just make sure you guys go listen to his song. Like I said, I'll put it in the iCard above. I think that's it. So let's get into the video. Okay, so hairstyle number 1 is literally this hairstyle right here. I usually do this hairstyle the first 2 or 3 weeks that I have my braids in, because once my braids start to get old, then this hairstyle does not work anymore. So I literally just have it down. I have 6 braids going across. So I just have this extra braid flipped over. I like the way that that looks. So this is the hairstyle number 1. Okay, I'm sorry if the lighting changed. I had to go and get my mirror so I can do the next couple of hairstyles. So hairstyle number 2 is half up, half down. So I take these 2 braids here. Ooh. And then I take this one, and the middle 2 right here. I take the 2 braids that are behind those as well. Also, for my half up, half down, I take one of my curly pieces. So this one right here. Then I take another one from this side, just so I can have 2 of them in the ponytail. Then I just start messing around. You really have to mess around with a lot of these hairstyles, just to get it how you like it. Okay. So I think that we're good. So now I'm going to take a rubber band. This one's new, so I have to stretch it a little bit. And I'm just going to tie those braids and curly pieces up. And I just go around that little ponytail once with the rubber band. Once I do that, I then try my best to get it flat. I will then take this curly piece and move it back to this side. And then I take this curly piece and move it back to that side. Then I go fix in my little ponytail. And like I mentioned, you just have to mess around with it. So let me do that, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Okay, so finally, after I'm done messing around with my hair, I finally got it. So this is hairstyle number 2, the half up, half down. This one is my favorite. If you guys follow me on all of my social media, like I say in all my videos, then you will know that when I have this hairstyle in, or when I have my braids in, this is my favorite hairstyle. Literally my go-to hairstyle. I love it. I think it looks so cute. But now on to the next hairstyle. So I'm gonna take my ponytail out because we don't need rubber band. I don't think we need rubber band anymore. We might, I don't know. Brain fart, like always. You will need a hair tie. So this is like one of those big headbands. I just use it as a big hair tie because we're about to do a pony. I always flip my hair over when I'm doing a ponytail. That just helps me, you know, grab all the hair and get the ponytail high like I want it. So let me go ahead and do that. And I grab and push back. Ooh. Long arms over here. So when I tie, I put the hair tie around once, then I take just one of the bands. Let me just go around it again. Taking two of them would be so tight. And that would really hurt my head because this is tight right now. All right. Can't believe I got it. It is sitting up so high and straight. I love it. Okay, so that was it. I did have to pull my edges because they are still very tight. Probably because this is a new headband. Yeah, probably. So here's hairstyle number 3. Sometimes I actually pull down the back pieces like this, which is super cute too. Okay, so hairstyle number 4. Let me actually find my hair tie. Okay, I don't know where my hair tie went, so we're gonna have to take this bad boy down, and I think we need to take it down anyways in order to do the next hairstyle. So let's do it. It is such a relief to take a ponytail out. Okay, so the next hairstyle is actually a bun, and I don't like super neat buns. That's never been me. Don't think that will ever be me. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my bun. So once again, I flip my hair over. Then I bring it back up. The ponytail is high, okay? Like we want it. And make sure all the hair is in. I'm gonna take this. And I seriously do my buns just like that. I take my curly pieces, pull them out on the side. Sometimes if I don't want the short hair or the shorter braids like poking through like that, then I will just tuck them in wherever they go in the ponytail. It doesn't really matter. All right. Now, this is hairstyle number 4. All right, so hairstyle number 5, we don't need a big pony. So let's take it down, which is such a relief again. And my head's such a, wow. Okay, so for hairstyle number 5, I need to bring all of the hair to the front. So I leave these 2 down. Then I will pick up the 4 that are left in the front, pick up these 2. And this is the only time that I will have to tie the rubber band twice because a flat ponytail does not look cute with this hairstyle. I'm tucking my short braids away. you're pulling curly pieces. Again, I have to mess with it, so let me do that. So here's our number 5. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure before you leave, you go right there where the iCard is, and you go listen to Zach's song, For My Tell. Such a great song. You guys are gonna love it. Also, before you leave, make sure you like this video and subscribe down below. Also, before you leave, make sure you go down in the description box and follow me on all of my social media, and I'll see you guys in my next one.